Am I the only one that didn't know AI is basically a super smart computer? It's like having a genius in your pocket or on your desk, ready to help you out with almost anything you need. But how does it actually work? Let's break it down together. Understanding AI can seem daunting, but it's really fascinating once you get the hang of it. So, what is artificial intelligence? At its core, AI is a branch of computer science that aims to create systems capable of performing tasks that would normally require human intelligence. Simply put, AI is like a brain for computers. It allows machines to process information, make decisions, and even learn from their experiences. It helps them learn from experience just like we do. For example, when you teach a child to recognize animals, you show them pictures and tell them the names. Over time, they learn to identify animals on their own. Think of how Netflix suggests movies you might like. It's not just guessing, it's learning from what you've watched before and predicting what you might enjoy next. That's AI analyzing your past choices to predict your future favorites. AI can recognize patterns, understand speech, and even translate languages in real time. And yes, it can even beat humans at chess. AI has been trained on countless games, learning strategies and moves that can outsmart even the best human players. But it's not magic, it's a bunch of algorithms and data working together. These algorithms are sets of rules that tell the computer how to analyze data and make decisions. Remember, AI isn't about robots taking over the world. It's about enhancing our capabilities and making our lives more convenient. It's about making our lives easier. From managing our schedules to controlling our home environments, AI is integrated into many aspects of our daily routines. From smart assistants like Siri to self-driving cars, AI is all around us. These technologies rely on AI to function smoothly and efficiently, making tasks that once seemed futuristic a part of our everyday lives. So, next time you use your phone or computer, give a nod to AI. It's working behind the scenes to make your experience better. Pretty cool, right? Catch you in the next video. We'll dive even deeper into the world of technology and explore more amazing innovations. Stay tuned. Welcome back. In this chapter, we will delve deeper into the history of artificial intelligence, exploring its origins and key milestones. Have you ever wondered where it all began? Let's take a journey through time to uncover the fascinating story of AI. The concept of artificial intelligence dates back to ancient times. Early myths and legends often spoke of mechanical beings endowed with intelligence by their creators. However, the modern journey of AI began in the mid-20th century. In 1950, British mathematician and logician Alan Turing proposed a groundbreaking idea known as the Turing test. This test aimed to determine if a machine could exhibit intelligent behavior indistinguishable from that of a human. Turing's work laid the foundation for future AI research. Fast forward to 1956, when the term artificial intelligence was officially coined at the Dartmouth Conference. This event brought together brilliant minds like John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, and Claude Shannon, who envisioned machines that could mimic human intelligence. The 1960s and 1970s saw significant progress in AI research, with the development of early neural networks and expert systems. These systems could solve specific problems like diagnosing medical conditions or playing chess by mimicking human decision-making processes. One of the most notable milestones came in 1997, when IBM's Deep Blue defeated world chess champion Garry Kasparov. This historic match showcased the incredible potential of AI to outperform human experts in complex tasks. The 21st century has witnessed exponential advancements in AI, driven by breakthroughs in machine learning and deep learning. Technologies like natural language processing, computer vision, and autonomous systems have become integral parts of our daily lives. Today, AI continues to evolve at a rapid pace, with applications ranging from healthcare to finance to entertainment. The journey of AI is far from over, and the possibilities are endless. So as we appreciate the convenience and capabilities of AI in our modern world, let's remember the pioneers who paved the way for this incredible technology. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore the ethical implications and future prospects of AI. See you soon. Welcome back. Now that we have explored the fascinating journey of artificial intelligence from concept to reality, let's delve into the different types of AI. You might have heard terms like narrow AI, general AI, and superintelligent AI. But what do they really mean? Let's break it down. Narrow AI, also known as weak AI, is designed to perform a specific task or a narrow range of tasks. Examples include voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, recommendation systems on streaming platforms, and even the AI that powers your email spam filter. Narrow AI excels at its designated functions, but lacks the ability to perform tasks outside its programmed capabilities. General AI or strong AI is a more advanced form of artificial intelligence that aims to mimic human intelligence across a wide variety of tasks. In theory, general AI would be capable of understanding, learning, and applying knowledge in ways similar to a human being. It remains a theoretical concept for now, as current AI systems do not possess the flexibility and adaptability of human cognition. Superintelligent AI is a step beyond general AI. This type of AI would surpass human intelligence in all aspects, including creativity, problem-solving, and emotional understanding. While it remains a topic of speculation and debate, the potential for superintelligent AI raises important questions about control, ethics, and safety. Understanding these different types of AI helps us appreciate the current capabilities and future possibilities of this transformative technology. Stay tuned for future episodes where we will dive deeper into the ethical implications and future prospects of AI. Thank you for watching. Welcome back. Now that we have explored the different types of AI, let's look at some real-world applications of this transformative technology. From healthcare to finance, AI is revolutionizing various industries in ways that were once thought impossible. In healthcare, AI is being used to diagnose diseases more accurately and at an earlier stage than ever before. Machine learning algorithms can analyze medical images, detect abnormalities, and even predict patient outcomes. This not only improves the quality of care, but also saves lives. In finance, AI is changing the way we manage money. Algorithms can analyze market trends, detect fraudulent activities, and even offer personalized financial advice. Robo-advisors are making investment more accessible to the general public, providing tailored advice based on individual financial goals. The retail industry is also benefiting from AI. Recommendation systems suggest products based on your browsing history, making shopping more personalized and efficient. AI-powered chatbots provide customer support 24/7, enhancing the overall shopping experience. Transportation is another sector being transformed by AI. Self-driving cars powered by AI promise to make our roads safer and reduce traffic congestion. AI systems can optimize routes for delivery trucks, reducing fuel consumption and improving logistics. Even in agriculture, AI is making a significant impact. Drones equipped with AI can monitor crop health, optimize irrigation, and even predict yields. This leads to more efficient farming practices and higher crop productivity. These are just a few examples of how AI is being applied in various fields. The potential for AI to transform industries is immense, and we are only scratching the surface of what is possible. Stay tuned for our next episode where we will explore the ethical implications and future prospects of AI. Thank you for watching. Welcome back. Finally, we will explore the ethical considerations and future implications of AI, including potential risks and benefits. As AI continues to advance, it brings with it a myriad of ethical questions. One of the primary concerns is the issue of bias. AI systems learn from data, and if that data is biased, the AI can perpetuate and even amplify those biases. This can lead to unfair treatment in areas such as hiring, law enforcement, and lending. Ensuring that AI systems are trained on diverse and representative datasets is crucial to mitigate these risks. Privacy is another significant concern. AI systems often require vast amounts of data to function effectively. This data can include sensitive personal information, raising questions about how this data is collected, stored, and used. Striking a balance between leveraging data for AI advancements and protecting individual privacy is a challenge that must be addressed. There are also concerns about job displacement. As AI systems become more capable, there is a fear that they will replace human workers, leading to significant economic and social disruption. While AI has the potential to create new jobs and industries, it is essential to ensure that workers are equipped with the skills needed to thrive in an AI-driven world. On the flip side, AI holds immense promise for the future. It has the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing problems, from climate change to healthcare. AI can help us develop more efficient energy solutions, predict and manage natural disasters, and even find cures for diseases. The possibilities are truly limitless. However, with great power comes great responsibility. It is up to us to ensure that AI is developed and deployed in a way that is ethical and beneficial for all. This involves creating robust regulations, fostering transparency, and promoting collaboration between governments, industries, and academia. In conclusion, while AI presents significant ethical challenges, it also offers unparalleled opportunities. By addressing these challenges head-on and working together, we can harness the power of AI to create a better future for everyone. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of artificial intelligence. Stay curious, stay informed, and stay tuned for more exciting content.